Hey guys, the Goodwill Bins is about to close, but I figured we'd run in and see what we could find. Somebody got a cart full, 2 carts full. Ooh, that's a nice shelf. A big old vase right there, a planter. Florals. That's little bells. That is cute. I have to go around and look at that. Look at that little doll bed, bunk bed, so you got more room for activities. Veggie slicer. What is this? I think it's a shirt. Is this a button-down shirt? I might need this. Oh, I think that's for like a nurse or something, like a doctor's coat. It's little pit berries and little red bells. I love this. I'm definitely gonna grab it because it's perfect just to make little wreaths to put around stuff, like candle holders, my swans. I don't like this one. It all has glitter on it, so I think I'm gonna leave it and just get this one. I'm digging through the wall of bins, but not finding too much. A lot of them are almost empty. Oh, I love these little deer. I have a few sets of them. And this was a standing up one. I don't have one like that, but it's all broken. That is unfortunate. You always, oh, here's a big one. And it's broken too. You always have to be careful looking through the bins because there definitely could be lots of broken stuff. And then people will find, you know, breakable items and put them up here. But a lot of times when it gets to the bins, it is already broken. Here's a little glass vase. I love the hobnail detail at the bottom. It's kind of dirty. I'm wondering if I could do something different with this. Oh, look at this little rustic Santa. I love him. The color, the age, the little star, the little Christmas tree, his little moving body. He is adorable. Definitely going in the cart. What is this beautiful thing? It is very heavy. This is so pretty. It does have a bunch of chips. So this might be a me piece. It says rosy gray, but it doesn't have any other markings. It does look older. This would be beautiful as a fruit bowl or even with a plant in it. I don't know. Do y'all have any ideas for this piece? This is definitely going in the cart. I'm in the furniture department. First of all, that chair is adorable. But I found this. It looks like something somebody made. It has wheels. And I'm thinking I'd use those big rolls of like flooring cover paper from Home Depot for packing supplies. You know, when I'm shipping packages. And it's always falling all over the place. I'm wondering if it would fit in here and then we could pull it out and then cut it. I don't know. It's $5 and I feel like it's worth a try because that is definitely an issue. And then we could just move it around wherever, you know, it needs to be. I'm gonna try it. I'll let y'all know if it works out. This piece caught my eye. It's actually a lamp, but I kind of like it. I don't know if it's broken or just unscrewed. Look at the adorable little finial on here. I don't know. I think I might get it and see if we can give it a new life. I love this little handmade pottery frog. He is adorable, but as you can see, he's missing an arm, so I'm gonna have to leave him here. Wait, what if we just turned him this way? That would be cute. Oh wait, is his arm in there? Oh, his arm is in there. I think I might be able to fix him. This is kind of cute. Little tarnished silver piece, International Silver Company. And I love the little glass right here. It needs to be cleaned up. Oh man, that's a big chip right there. Guess I'm gonna have to leave this one behind. Ooh, what is this? Pretty piece of art. I think it's actually a print, but I really like it. I wonder if I have another picture frame that maybe I can put it in. Alright guys, well they are about to close for the day, so I'm gonna have to head out, but just for a quick trip. I think I got some really good stuff. I got all this fabric from my friend Lee. She sells little fabric bundles, so I'm gonna bring that to her. I just like the color of this yarn, so I'm just gonna put in my DIY stash in case I need it. Some beautiful pieces. If you have some ideas for this lamp right here, leave a comment below. But I'm gonna be heading out, so I hope y'all enjoyed this thrifting adventure, and I will see y'all in the next one.